Good morning everybody! Thank you for joining me on another beautiful hike. And this is another beautiful sunny day with a beautiful weather. I'm already in my t-shirt. We arrived about an hour ago. It's a beautiful autumn day. This is not far from Lourdes in High Pyrenees. And we are going to Peak Andorra. Feels like we'll have a great day. Up.
Qui arrive là, juste avant de se garer, on va voir les mecs.
Many trees are already almost naked, so this beauty won't last for much longer. The beautiful colorful leaves, yes, it's a quite short joy. I wish it would last a bit longer, but what can you do? Nature has its way of doing things, and this is how it is. Almost at the peak Andorra. Some goats hanging out at the top of the mountain. They probably also have taste for a good view. And this is the peak Andorra.
Et encore,
right.
c'était pour boire une bière.
Qu'est-ce que tu dis? C'est parti. Au revoir. Got some wood. We'll have a picnic at the cabin, and the cabin is right there. Nice view in this cafe.
was nothing I could do. Well, I got no worries now, because I know that you'll be true. Well, there's no use in looking back, there's so much to look forward to. And baby, we don't need too much. I'm hoping you won't let go, 'cause I need you so, and that's for sure. My heart is all yours. My heart is all yours. Well, there's times when I get so down, but you always lift me up.
Just had a great picnic and a little nap afterwards, and now going back down.
And baby, we don't need too much. I'm hoping you won't let go, 'cause I need you so, and that's for sure. My heart is all yours. My heart is all yours. My heart is all yours.
Christmas is not far away. You wonder how I know? Check out these berries. Usually they are around Christmas. Today we did about 12 kilometers, 700 meters of ascent, and it took us about 8 hours, including the picnic we did on the top of the mountain at the cabin. It was a really awesome experience. I enjoyed it. It was a beautiful sunny day with awesome autumn colors, like it's been for the last few weeks. I'll see you on the next adventure, which will be very soon. So like and subscribe, and give me a comment. Tell me what you liked about the video, what you didn't, so I can improve on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And there's the peak we came from.